I distinctly remember my first day at Greenfield Elementary, a new school I started attending when I was 10 years old. Our family had just moved to this small town, so everything felt unfamiliar. I had spent my entire childhood at my previous school, so this was a big change for me. The morning was filled with a mix of excitement and anxiety. I remember carefully picking out my outfit, hoping it would make a good impression. When we arrived, I felt a knot in my stomach as I stood in the playground, surrounded by new faces. What I remember most vividly was a kind girl named Emily who came up to me. She introduced herself and offered to show me around. Her friendliness made a huge difference. She took me to my new classroom and introduced me to a few classmates. The teacher, Mrs. Thompson, was very welcoming and included me in group activities, which helped me feel less anxious. Throughout the day, everything was new and a bit overwhelming, from the different subjects to the new routines. However, by lunchtime, I had already started to make friends. Sharing stories and laughter with them made me feel much more comfortable. Reflecting on that day, I realize it was a mix of nervousness and excitement. Although the initial change was challenging, the support from my new peers and teacher made the transition smoother than I had expected. In the end, it was a positive experience that marked the beginning of a very enjoyable chapter in my school life.